Okay, namaskaram to everyone. Now, as part of Music Carnival 20, Sukritam Foundation's Music Carnival 20, we are here to play this game called Amaze, which was created exclusively for Music Carnival this year. Since we had a lot of online options to explore, we have brought to you this exclusive game this year. But before I move on to the game and invite the I'm the host. Before I move on to the game, I would like to make a small announcement that the puppet show premiere, the puppet show premiere that we just saw now will be re-premiered tomorrow. That is the 8th of August at 10 a.m. So the puppet show that we just saw now will be re-premiered tomorrow at 10 a.m. because of popular demand, and people kept asking, my puppet show kids eல்லாம் தூங்கியாச்சு அந்த மாதிரி. So we will have the puppet show streamed again tomorrow morning at 10 a.m., which will be followed by yet another skit by slightly older kids than the kids who you just saw singing. So I will now invite the guest who will be conducting this maze event. That is Sai Rakshit. Welcome, Sai.
You just saw singing.
Hi, Sai.
Hi, Anna.
How are you? We are live on Facebook.
I'm good. How are you? Good evening.
Good.
How's it going?
Good. We are live on Facebook.
Super.
So, Sai Rakshit, as everybody would know, is a great violinist, and he's a very good musician.
Thank you so much.
He has also worked on the other skit that I was referring to just now. He produced the music for it. So thank you, Sai. Thank you, Sai, for.
Thank you so much, Anna. Thank you so much for having me.
Music Carnival 20 and being a part of creating this amazing game.
Thank you so much.
So
thank you for having me. Yeah.
Thanks. I will want you to explain about this game and how you came up with it.
Great. So this game, actually, I wasn't the only one who came up with it. I should credit all the people who came up with it first. So this game was the idea for this game came about because of Vittal Rangananna, who's also a great violinist and a dear friend, Ramakrishnan Anna, and again, who's almost the backbone of the entire carnival at this point, right? With the whole website and everything, and of course, a great friend of mine and a wonderful violinist. So we just wanted to think, what fun game can we have that is informative at the same time, somewhat different. So what we decided was, since everything is in an online basis, we decided, why don't we make a maze? So people enter a maze, they go inside it, they reach a point where they have to take a decision, right? You have to either go one direction or the other, and only one direction can be right.
Yeah.
So we decided at every decision point, why don't we put in a ragam and ask them to decide the ragam? So once they decide, if they guess the correct ragam, then they can go to the right path and follow the right path all the way and reach the end of the maze.
Chakkani Rajamargamu.
Yes. So if they are going to choose the wrong ragam, right, they go to the wrong path. But then instead of just saying wrong path and ending the game there, we thought, see, if we were walking inside a maze, literally, if we were to walk inside a maze and we go to the wrong path, we will retrace our steps, right? So we thought, why don't we take the same idea? So at the next decision point, if you're going to get the ragam right, let them retrace the path like we would do, and then come back to the right path and reach the goal.
Yeah, amazing. Amazing. So people got to know their ragams to proceed to the Chakkani Rajamargama and not the Santu. Yeah. So can you just show the interface?
Super. Okay. So I think for the interface, big thanks from all of us to Rajiv Mukundanana, who's another violinist, and he's very busy, but he still managed to make the entire interface for us along with the whole thing. And also we should thank Saumyaka for singing last minute and giving us so much of content and so many new ragams that we would have never thought of. So thank
Yeah.
you. And
Yeah.
this is the interface. Are you able to see the interface?
Yeah.
Super. So this is the interface. So once people come in, I'm going to play the ragams one by one to them. They will be able to listen to the ragam, and they will get two options for each ragam that I play. They have to choose the right option and they can proceed on the right.
Okay. So shall we invite the first participant in?
Yes,
That will
sounds
be
great.
Hamsini Krishnan.
Superb.
Yeah, she's joining.
Okay.
Yeah, Hamsini is here. Hi, Hamsini. Okay. Hi, Hamsini.
I think she's connecting to
Yeah, I'm connected.
Yeah. Can you hear us?
Yeah, I can.
Yeah. Hi. How are you?
Hi, good. How are you, Anna?
Yeah. Great to have you here.
Thank you. Same.
So it's over to you, Sai.
Right. Thanks, Anna. Hi, Hamsini. Hope you're doing
Hi.
great.
Good. How are you?
I'm doing great. Superb. So can we have a little intro about you? How many years have you been learning Carnatic music and so on?
I am Hamsini. I have been learning Carnatic music intermittently. So put together, it's a total of half a decade, 5 years totally.
Wow. Okay. And whom all are you learning from?
Initially, I learned in the Institution of Karnataka Brothers.
Okay.
My faculty was Srimati Anuradha ma'am. Then
Okay.
personally, I'm learning from a lady namely Srimati Vidya,
Okay.
who conducts
Lovely.
classes privately.
Superb. Okay. So before we start, I'm sure you're familiar with the rules, right? No problems with any of the rules or anything? We're all good to go?
Yeah, sure. But it would be good if you can just give me a synopsis once again.
Okay. So the idea of it is that I'm going to play one ragam for you, as you can see,
Okay.
right? And you will get two options for the same. If you choose the right option, you will go on to the right path, and then you will get the next question. So all the blue dots that you see here are the decision points at which you will get a question, right?
Okay.
At the next question, if you get this question right, the next dot will turn green, which means you're on the right path. And if you get it wrong, it will turn red, which means you're on the wrong path and you have to answer the next question right. Come back and answer the old one that you got wrong right, and then you move on. Sounds good?
Yeah, right.
Super. I'll just play this audio. You just let me know if you're able to hear it, and then we'll get going.
There are no trials, right?
No trials, sorry.
Okay, fine, right.
Yeah, let's go. Were you able to listen to the audio?
Yeah.
Okay. So your options for this one are Abheri and Hindolam. Sorry?
Aberi.
Abheri. Okay. So great. So you got the first one right. So you can see the path turning green, right? Which means you're on the right path. And yes, Chakani Raja. So on to the next question. You ready? Shall I play the next one? Yeah. And your options are Simyendra Madhyamam and Shanmugapriya.
Shanmugapriya.
Shanmugapriya. Great. So that's great. Okay. So on to the next one.
Yeah.
Super. Okay. So your options are Madhyamavati and Shri Ragam.
Sri Ragam.
Shri Ragam? Okay. So Great. So
Hamshini, you can always listen to it again if you want.
Yeah, fine, right.
great. So this is your last wrong decision point as such. As in, after this point, if you're going to clear this point, you will go on to the final path that just leads to the. You will be on the right path, but then you're going to have to answer 4 more questions to reach the end of the maze, right?
Okay.
And these last 4 questions are going to work a little differently. Just that for the first question that you'll face, you'll have 3 chances. So after that question, you can, if you get it wrong, you'll get another 3 chances to answer, right? And if you get all the 3 wrong, the game will end. And for the second question, you'll get 2 chances. The last question, third question, you'll get 1 chance. And the final question, you're going to have to answer the question correct. Otherwise, that's the end of the game. Sounds good?
Yeah.
Okay,
Yeah.
perfect. So this is the next one. Were you able to listen to it?
Can you play it once more?
Sure.
Okay.
Okay. So your options are Sindhu Bhairavi and Dhenuka.
Sindhu Bhairavi.
Sindhu Bhairavi?
Yeah.
Okay. So alright, so that was unfortunately the wrong answer. So you're on
Oh
to
my
the wrong
God.
path.
Oh.
So which means that's your first red one, right? Okay?
Yeah.
So no worries. You can answer, if you're going to get this one right, you'll go back to the right path and you can get that one right and move on. Sounds good?
Okay. Okay.
Okay. Yeah. You want me to play it again?
Yes, please.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. So your options are Suddha Saveri and Arabi.
Shuddha Saveri.
Suddha Saveri? Okay.
Yeah.
So Suddha Saveri is the right answer. So yeah, that's great. So you're back to the same point. So you're going to get the same question. So we'll just have one more listen to it and you can, choose the right answer. Sounds good?
Yeah, fine.
Yeah. So Dhenuka, right? So the giveaway here is that the first line is actually from the Tyagaraja Kriti, Rama, right?
Yeah.
So that was the giveaway there. So on to the last 4 questions.
Yeah.
Super. Okay. So this question, if you're going to get this one wrong, you get another 3 chances.
Okay.
Okay. And so I just play the audio. This is your first chance. Okay. You want me to play it again?
No.
You're good? Is it Bauli or Bhupal?
Bhupal.
Bhupalam? You're sure?
Yeah.
Okay. And Bhupalam. One second. Okay, I think there's one small problem here. So Bhupalam was the right answer. So we'll just move on to the next one. Right? Okay. So, okay.
No, are you sure Bhupalam was the right answer, Rakshit? No, I think Bauli was the right answer.
Vali was the right answer. Okay. Let me just.
Actually, it moved further, right?
No, this didn't move further.
I think it got stuck there.
Yeah, I think it just got stuck there. Okay.
Okay,
One
okay,
second.
never mind.
Let me just retrace your. So this.
Slowly.
Right. Okay. So. Okay. So on to the next one. Sorry, I think there was some error here. My bad.
That's okay. That's okay.
Yeah. Okay.
Can you play it once more?
Sure. You want me to play it once more?
No. Give me the options.
Okay. So is it Vasanta or Lalita?
Lalita.
Lalita?
Yeah.
You're sure?
Yeah.
Perfect. So Lalita is the right answer. So for this question, you get 2 chances.
Okay.
You get this one wrong, you get 1 more chance. Okay?
Okay, fine.
Right. You want me to play it again?
Yeah. Can you?
Okay.
please?
Sure. Sorry?
No, please. I want to listen to it once again.
Yeah, perfect. So I'll give you the options. Perfect. So is it Chakrabaham?
Saurashtra.
Saurashtra. So perfect. So you're on to the last step of the game. Hamsini, congratulations. So this one is a do or die. So you either get this answer right or that's the end of the game. Okay? You ready for the last one?
Yeah, but can I listen to it one more time here or
Yeah.
it's just once?
Yeah, you can listen to it how many other times you want. That sounds good?
Yeah.
Okay.
Once more, please.
Once more? Okay. Okay. So your options for this one?
Ahiri.
Ahiri?
Yeah.
Perfect. So congratulations, Samsuni.
Thank
So
you.
you're done with the game, and how was? Thank you so
Thanks.
much for participating.
Thank you. I enjoyed it thoroughly.
Thank you, Hamsini.
Thank you so
Thanks a
much.
lot for
Thank you.
participating.
Yeah,
So we'll
thank
let the next participant in. You can actually leave.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank
you.
you. Thank you. So the next participant will be Niharika. Niharika is joining us. Hello, Niharika.
Hi.
Yeah.
Am I audible?
Yeah,
Yep,
you're audible.
audible.
So over to you, Sai and Niharika.
Okay. So shall we start the game? You're okay with the rules and everything? All good?
Sure. Yeah.
Great. Do you want to give a small intro about yourself? that
No,
okay?
I live in Gurgaon and my guru is Srimati Sundari Janakiraman Mami from Hyderabad.
Lovely, lovely. And how many years have you been learning?
It's like more than 10 years, 10, 15 years.
Oh wow, that's great. Okay, so we'll get started with the game.
Yeah.
Sounds good. Okay. So your first question, we just reduce the volume. Okay.
Can you play it once again?
Okay, sure. Are you not able to hear it properly?
Maybe it's actually too loud, so I'm not able to.
Okay, let me reduce the volume.
So can we see the options?
Yeah, so the options are Maya Madhava Gaula or Malahari.
I'll go with Maya Malavagolan.
Maya Madhava Gaula. Okay. Perfect. So you got that one right. You're ready for the second one? Okay. Okay.
Yeah. Yeah.
So the options are Marga Hindodam or Saramati.
Saramati.
Saramati?
Yeah.
Okay. And Saramati is the right answer. So on to the next one. Okay.
So the option. It's Gaulai.
Gaulai?
Yeah.
Perfect. Please feel free to guess without the options as well if you know the ragam immediately, right? So that can
No,
make it a little faster for you.
Okay.
Absolutely, absolutely.
Yep. Okay. The next one? Okay.
I want to look at the options.
You want to look at the options?
Yeah.
Okay.
Bahudari.
Bahudari?
Yeah.
Perfect. Are you sure?
Yeah.
Okay. So Bahudari is the right answer. So you're on to the right path. Just the last 4 to go.
Okay.
Right? So you have 3 chances for this one. You're ready for it?
Yeah.
Okay. You got it?
Yeah.
What ragam is it?
Riti Gaulai.
Riti Gaula. Perfect. So yes, Riti Gaula is the right answer. Okay. The next question? Yeah.
Darbar.
Darbar?
Yeah.
You're sure? It's not
Yeah.
Nayaki?
No.
Okay. And Darbar is the right answer. So last 2 questions, you get 2 chances for this one, and the last one is a do or die question. Okay? Right. So
Saranga.
Saranga?
That is some quick answering, Niharika.
Yeah, very quick answering. Great job. Saranga is the right answer. So this is your last question. So you either get this or it's game over. Okay? Great. So
Can I look at the options?
so is
It's
it
Arabi.
Arabi?
Yeah.
Are you sure? You don't want to take another listen?
No.
For sure?
Yeah.
Pakka?
Paka.
This is do or die.
Yeah. It's Arabi.
Okay. And Arabi is the right answer. Congratulations. Great job.
Great job, Niharika.
Great job. Thank you so much for playing the game.
Thank you.
And we'll move on to the next
Yeah,
participant.
we'll move on to the next one. Yeah.
So I just leave the call,
Yeah,
right?
you leave the call. You leave
You
the
can
call.
leave the call.
Srinidhi Govind is here.
Hi Srinidhi, can you hear us?
Yeah,
She's connecting.
yeah. Hi.
Hi, Srinidhi.
Hi, Anna.
How are you?
I'm fine. How are you, Anna?
Good.
Great. So you're familiar with the rules, Srinidhi? All good?
Yeah,
We can just carry on with the game?
yeah.
Okay. So this version of the game, all the ragams in this were actually sung by Soumya Akka.
Oh, okay.
So it's going to be a little tricky. So all the very best and let's get going. Okay?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Just have to listen to it carefully.
And please feel free to guess before you see the options as well. You're able to listen to it?
Excuse me, just a second.
Yeah.
Hello?
Yeah. We are able
Yeah.
to hear you.
Okay.
Yeah.
All good? Yeah. Please feel free to answer the questions even before the options come out. Okay?
Okay. Yeah.
Okay. So the game starts now. Any guesses? Do you want
Can
me
I
to
see
play
the
it again?
options?
Okay. So your options are Vanaspati or Natakapriya.
Natakapriya.
Natakapriya?
Yeah,
You're sure? Do you want to take another listen or you're good?
I'm good, I guess.
You're good? Okay.
Yeah.
Natakapriya is
Okay.
the wrong answer.
That's
But that's
okay.
okay. We'll move on to the next one. You get this right, you can go back and retrace your path.
Okay.
Okay?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
Guys, yeah.
You want the options? Okay.
Yeah.
So is it Malavi or Saraswati Manohari?
Malavi.
Malavi?
Yeah.
You're sure?
Yeah.
Okay. So Malavi is the right answer. So
So you go back to the first.
So you go back to the first question. Do you want to listen to it? We'll just have another listen and go on to the next one.
Yeah. Fine.
Okay. Great. So
Vanaspati.
Vanaspati is the right answer.
Yeah, the composition is Pariya Chakama.
Yes.
Oh, okay.
Natakapriya is actually Sapapadani sa.
No. Nataka Priya is Pap Sariga Ma Padani Sa Ni Da Pa Ma Ga Ri Sa. That
Oh,
is
sorry.
Nataka
Yeah,
Priya.
yeah.
You
My
what
bad.
you sang is Koke Priya.
Yeah. What I sang was Koki.
Yeah, the Gandharam is
Gandharam is this. Okay, my bad. Got it.
Sarigama.
Yeah,
This is the fourth ragam. Vanaspati.
Oh, okay. Yeah.
my bad. Sorry.
Yeah, it's okay. Kanakangi, Ratnangi, Ganamurti.
Ganamurti Vanaspati. Right.
Ta-da-da-da-na-na-ra-na.
You want to take a guess?
Can I see the options?
Okay. So your options are Kedara Gaulai or Chaya Tarangini.
It's Chaya Tarangini.
Chaya Tarangini.
So this is so. So
Oh.
are you guessing Chaya Tarangi or are you ruling out Kedara Gole?
Kedara Gaulai. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
What is this noise I'm hearing?
I think something in the background.
It's from your end or my end?
No, it's not from my end.
I don't think it's from my end either.
I think it's mine. Yeah, you just carry on.
We'll carry on? Okay. So Chaya Tarangini is the right one by virtue of elimination. So the next one?
Yeah.
Sorry, Anna? Okay.
No. Do you hear me now?
Yeah, I can hear you, bro. Any guesses on this one?
Can I see the options, please?
Okay. So your options are Saramati or Marga Hindulam.
It's Marga Hindulam.
Marga Hindulam?
Yeah.
Okay. Again, by virtue of elimination?
Yeah, kind of.
Kinda? Okay. So Marga Hindulam is the right one. So on to the next.
So actually, before we proceed, I just want to say that this is not the usual way of singing the ragam. Usually, the ragam phrase is known in the first. For the ragam is known in the first phrase itself.
Yeah.
Because that's what Akka also believes in. But I just wanted to say here, we just wanted to make it a little trickier. That is why. So this idea was actually Mr. L. Ramakrishnan. So blame has to be on him.
Yeah.
If you want to ask any question, go and ask him.
Yes.
Sure.
Right?
It was
Yeah.
deliberately made to be tricky.
Okay.
Yeah.
On to the next one.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Ta-da-ra-da, ta-ra-na-na-na, ah-ra-da, ah-na-ra, ta-da-ra-ra-na-na-na-na, ah-ra-na-na, ta-na-na-na.
Right? Any guesses on this one? No?
Please.
Okay. So is it
Palamanjari?
Palamanjari or Jayanta Sena?
Guessing Palamanjari.
Palamanjari? You're sure it's not Jayanta Sena?
I'm not sure.
You're just
Okay.
guessing?
You're
Yeah.
So you
guessing?
want to go with Palamanjari?
Yeah.
Or do you want to take another listen?
Okay. Yeah, I'll listen to it again.
You want to listen again? Okay.
Ta-da-ra-da, ta-ra-na-na-na, ah-ra-da, ah-na-ra, ta-da-ra-ra-na-na-na, ah-ra-na-na, ta-na-na-na. I'll go with Palamanjari.
You're going with Palamanjari?
Yeah.
Okay. So we're on to the last 4 questions.
That's right. Do you know the song in Palamanjari?
No.
Sanatana?
Paramapavana.
Oh, okay. Illa.
Okay, that's okay. So on to your last 4 questions. So you get 4 chances in total for this. So if you get this one wrong, you get another 3 chances for this. Okay?
Okay.
You ready?
Yeah.
Okay.
Ta-ra-na-na.
guesses?
Can I see the options?
Okay. So is it Devaranji or Padi?
Devaranji.
Devaranji or Padi?
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 I guess, yeah.
You want to go with Padi?
Yeah.
You're sure?
Yeah. I'm not sure. I'll just take a guess.
That's okay.
Okay, that's okay. So Padi was the wrong answer.
Okay.
Devaranji was the answer. So you get another 3 chances here. Okay?
Yeah.
So we'll go to the next one.
Yeah.
Okay.
Tadara na 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 ara na na tara na 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 na.
You have any guesses for this one?
Can you play it again?
Okay.
Tadara na 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 ara na na tara na na na.
There was a big clue in the ragam that she sang now.
Hmm.
Okay, you want to look at the options?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
Sai?
So is it Narayana Gaula or Kedar Gaula?
Narayan Gaula.
So it's all big
The,
process.
the Madhyamam is very important for Narayana Gode.
Okay.
She sang, no?
Yeah.
Sriramam. The Madhyamam is very important.
Great. So on to the next one.
Yeah.
Okay. Right. So you get 3 chances for this.
Also not just Sriram, also Kadalevadu starts in Madhyamuni. Kadalevadu, Kade. It's very important. In the phrase Ketale, you can say it's Narayana Gode.
Narayana Gaula. Right. Super. So we'll go to the next one. Next question.
Yeah.
Okay. So you get 3 chances in total, including this one. So here's your first chance.
Tadara na 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 Tadara na 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 Tadara na ra 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 na ra 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 ra
Lovely. Do you want me to play again or do you want to take a guess?
No, play it again.
Play it again? Okay.
Yeah.
You want to look at the options and then play?
Yeah, okay.
Okay. So is it Purna Lalita or Jhankara Dhwani?
Can you play it again?
Okay.
Tadara na 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 Tadara na 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 Tadara na ra 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 na ra 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 ta ra 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 ra.
Yeah. The options. I think I'll go with Jhankara Dhwani.
You're going
Sure.
with Jhankara Dhwani?
Are you
Yeah.
sure?
I am not.
Okay.
Okay. So I'll lock in Jhankara Dhwani.
Yeah.
Okay. So Jhankara Dhwani is unfortunately the wrong answer for that one.
Okay.
That's okay. It's a
It's
great
very
learning.
tricky. Yeah, great learning.
Jankara Dhwani is a Mela Ragam. It's a Karta Ragam.
Yeah.
It's
The same scale.
Sarigama Padanisa Sanida Pamagarisa. That is Jankar Dhoni. But this is Purna Lalita.
Okay.
Kadu Guma Padani Raja. That is Purna Lalita.
Kurlalita.
Sakarima. She sang it very clearly. If you want, you can hear it again.
Okay.
I
Yeah,
think
that's okay. We're running short of time.
Okay.
So we will go to the next question.
Yeah, so all these versions of the maze will be put on the Sukritam website after the session. So you can all go and check it out for. There's so much of learning to do
Yeah, exactly.
for all of us.
That is the sole aim of this
Absolutely.
project.
Yes. So on to the next one.
Yeah.
Okay.
Nara Arana Tadarana
Can you show me the options?
The options.
Yeah.
Okay. So is it Vasanta Bhairavi or Vakula Bharnam?
You want to play it again?
No. It's Vakula Varanam.
It's Vakula Bharnam?
Yeah.
You're sure?
No. Sorry. Can you play it again?
Okay.
Nara Arana Tadarana
It's Vasanta Bhairavi, sorry.
It's Vasanta Bhairavi?
Yeah.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Pakka?
Yeah.
Lock.
Lock?
Yeah.
Okay. So this one was unfortunately Vakula Bharnam
Yeah.
because Vasanta Bhairavi is Nidama Pamagari, right?
சரிகமதானி போகும்போது பஞ்சமம் கிடையாது.
Panchama Kadayadu.
Okay.
இதுல
Okay.
இருக்கு. Vakulavarnam is a full scale raga. I mean full scale.
Yeah. So this one was actually
Vakulavarnam. But she said
Yeah.
Vasanta Bhairavi.
She said Vasanta Bhairavi. There is a small error in the game only at this point,
Okay.
which we just realized. So this is your last chance, Srinidhi,
Okay. Yeah.
right?
Yeah. Okay.
So you get this right, you move on to the next point where you'll have 2 more chances.
Yeah.
Otherwise,
Can you make it quick because
Yeah.
we're running short of time. We're already.
Yep, perfect.
Yeah. The options. Vijayashri.
Vijayashri, you're
Yeah.
sure?
Yeah.
Okay. So that was a close call.
Good one.
So,
Good one.
Good one. So you're on to your last 3 or potentially 2 questions, right?
Okay.
Okay.
Can I see the options?
So is it Kokila Dhwani or Malavi?
Kokiladvani.
You're sure?
Yeah.
Okay. Virtue of elimination?
Yeah.
Okay.
Good
great.
one.
Good one. So I mean, it's a game, right? You got to do what you have to do to win it.
Yeah.
Okay. So, final question. You get this one right, you're through, or that's it. It's do or die, okay?
Okay.
Tadar-na-na-na-na. Ar-ra. Tadar-na-na. Tadar-na-na-na. Ar-ra-na-na-na-ra. Tara-na-na. Ah-na.
You want to see the options?
Yeah.
So,
Um,
Gana Varidhi or Shulini?
I think it's Sholini. I'm not sure.
okay.
You want to hear it again? Or we'll go?
Yeah. Yeah, it's fine. It's fine.
You're
Shulini?
sure?
Yeah.
Shulini?
Okay.
Okay.
It's
Shulini
unfortunately
was
Gana
unfortunately the
Varidhi. Dayaju chutekkidive.
Okay.
Gana Varidhi. Good, 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 very good. Amazing, Sri.
Hit right. You're on.
Yeah,
Yeah,
yeah.
you're so close to the end.
We are very sorry that you got the very difficult this
Set.
one set, but it's okay. Nevertheless it's a great learning, and thanks a lot for being part of.
Yeah, thank
And,
you.
and you did so great coming all the way to the end. So thank you so
Yeah,
much.
you really did great.
Great.
I tested this yesterday. I could not answer some of it. It was very difficult.
Right.
Thank you. Thanks a lot.
Thank you so much.
Thank
Thanks
you.
a lot.
Thank you, guys.
Thank you. So we'll let the next participant in.
Yes.
We'll be quicker.
Yeah,
The
we'll be
next,
quicker.
okay, the next participant will be Abhirama Bode.
Okay.
Hello, Abhiram.
Hello, once
Hello,
again.
Abhiram. Yeah, can you mute the
Yeah.
Facebook? Hello, Abhiram.
One second. Yeah, 1 second. Yeah, I did. I just
Yeah.
muted it.
Okay. But by now, I think you know the rules because we are running short of time, so just hurrying it.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah.
Yes.
We'll have the, you know, the first audio.
Give me a
First audio. Can you hear us, Abhiram? I think there's a little bit
Yes,
of lag.
I do hear you.
You're able to hear me? Okay. So this is your first audio.
Tadar-na-na-na-na. Na-na-na-na. Tadar-na-na-na-na. Tadar-na-na-na-na. Ta-na-ra-na-na.
Any guesses?
Purna Chajama.
Purna Shajjam is the right answer. Super. So, second question, Pulama.
Yeah.
Ta-ra-na-na-na-na. Ah-na-na. Ah-na-na-na-na-na.
Any guesses for this one?
Paras, sir.
Paras, you're
Paras.
sure?
Yeah. Sure.
Okay, let's find
Okay,
out.
we'll just find out. Paras is the right answer. Great job, Abhiram. So, third question.
Ta-da-ra-na-na-ra-na-na-ra. Ta-da-ra-na-na-na-na-ra-na-na. Ah-ra-na-na-na-na. Na-ra-na. Ta-ra-ra-ra. Na-na-ra-na.
Any guesses?
Jayamanohari.
Jay Manori?
Yeah.
We'll find out. Jay Manori is the right answer. Great job. So you've been guessing it without any of the options so far.
Amazing.
Amazing job. On to the next one.
Go on.
Sorry?
Yeah. No, I just hope I can go on.
Yeah.
Tadarana, tarananananana, ananana, tarananana, nanara, ara, arana, nana.
Okay, I need the options for this.
Any of the options for this? Okay.
Yes, I do.
So is it Veera Vasantam?
Veera
or
Vasantam. Yeah. Veera Vasantam. Yeah.
Veera Vasantam?
for sure. Yeah.
Okay.
Yes.
Perfect.
Is it the
Veera
ragam?
Vasantam.
The ragam name did not strike immediately.
Exactly. Yeah. I could recall the Kriti, but not the Ragam.
Yeah, good.
Great. So on to the next one.
Tadarana, nanara, taranana, tarana, tadarana,
Any guesses?
I don't know.
You don't know? Okay.
No.
So is it
Vegavahini. Okay.
Vegavahini?
So
Yes.
did you rule out?
Rule out?
I actually ruled out Chakravakam.
Okay.
That's okay. Good
Samadama
one.
is what
Yes.
I think I heard.
Yeah, that was someone.
Not just samagama, but also the usage of the gandharam.
The voice is breaking. The voice
Okay,
is breaking. Sorry.
yeah, not just the samagama. it's
Yeah.
also the usage of the gandharam.
Correct. Hmm.
Okay.
Correct. Right.
All
Exactly.
those things. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. Next one.
Yeah. Go on.
tadarana, anana, ana, na, tadarana, taranana, ana.
Any guesses?
Jayanta Sena.
Jayant
You sure?
Sena? You're sure?
Yeah.
For sure?
Yes.
Okay. We'll find out. Jayant Sena.
It's not the right answer.
Oh.
It's Malavashri. I think you missed that Nishadam.
Okay. Yeah, I think so.
Yeah, I think you missed that Nishadam.
Okay. Yeah.
Because at the first instance, I also thought it was Jayanta
Jayanta Sena.
I was listening yesterday.
Right.
Sometimes we miss that small Nishadam and Daivatam. That too. Yeah. You want to play it again? Or play this next question?
No, this is the next one.
Yeah.
I think
Okay,
Kurt,
sure, no problem. Go
Yeah,
on.
just play.
just to make it a little more confusing, Soumya has also sung it that way, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. So next one.
Tadarana, tadarana,
I'll have the options.
Okay.
Kanavariti.
Kanavariti?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes.
So can we ask how you got this, Kanavariti?
No, it wasn't a full scale, right? So
Okay.
That's why I
So
wrote it
that's
down.
also elimination.
Okay. Great.
Do you know the composition in Ganavardi?
No. I don't know. Have- Yes.
You
Yeah.
heard
Yeah.
it,
Yeah.
right?
I've heard it. I've heard it. Yeah.
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 Okay.
Good.
Great. So you get 2 chances for this one. And this
Okay.
is your first one.
Tadara-na-na-na-na-na. Tadara-na-na-na-na-ra. Na ta-na-na. Ah-ra-ra-ra.
I was also slightly, yeah.
I don't know.
You
No.
want to
I
play it
need
again?
options. I need the options. Oh. Okay. yeah. Kalgada. Yeah. For sure.
Kalgada? Okay.
Yeah. Parvati. Oh, how could I?
Okay. On to the final one.
I think your FP is somewhere sounding again to me.
No, it's closed actually. I've closed
I
it.
don't know. I'm hearing it again. Is it you, Sai?
I don't think it's me. There's no Facebook going on here. So
It's
I
no,
think
it's me neither.
Okay.
Anyway, yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Final one.
Yeah.
Tadara-na-na-na-na. Tadara-na-na-na-na. Tadara-ra-ra-ra-ra. Na ah-ra-ra-ra-ra. Ta-ra-ra-ra-ra-ra-ra.
Can you please once again?
Somewhere I'm hearing a feedback. I don't know where. Oh, probably I have a Facebook on.
Okay. I don't know. I can also hear the feedback, but I don't know where it's coming from. Okay. You'll play the ragam again?
Once again. Yeah.
Tadara-na-na-na-na. Tadara-na-na-na-na. Tadara-ra-ra-ra-ra. Na ah-ra-ra-ra-ra. Ta-ra-ra-ra-ra-ra-ra.
Any guesses?
It has the swaras of Jankaradvani.
Jankaradvani?
No, it has the swaras of Jankaradvani, but I don't know the ragam. I need the options.
Okay.
Purna Lita.
Purna Lalita? Okay.
Yeah.
We heard the composition. Kaluguna. Padaniraja Seva.
Yes. Correct. Yes.
Right?
Yeah.
So,
One.
congratulations, Abhiram. You did great. You did
Amazing.
great. Most of the ones you didn't even need options, so that's
Yeah,
amazing.
it's amazing. Thank you. Thanks
Thank
a
you
lot
so
for being
much.
part, Abhiram.
Thanks for the wonderful event.
Thanks.
The interface is so beautiful. Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay, now we'll have Akshaya Karthik. You can leave, Abhiram.
Yeah,
Thank you.
sure.
Hello, Akshaya. Hello, Akshaya. Can you unmute yourself?
Hello.
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 Yeah, hi. Can you unmute? Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, so you know the rules, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. So, Sai, over to you.
Yeah. So, this is your first round.
I'm sure you're going to finish it so fast.
Super fast. Okay? Sorry. You want me to play it again, Akshaya?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Any guesses?
Can I have other choices?
So is it Maya Malavagaulai or Malahari?
Maya Malavagaula?
Maya Malavagaulai? You're sure?
Yeah.
Okay. Maya Malavagaulai is the right option. So on to the next one.
Yeah.
Good one.
Yeah.
Saramati?
Saramati? Saramati is the right option. Great job. So on to the next one.
Yeah. Can I have the options?
The options? Is it Gaulai or Gauri?
Gaula?
Gaulai? You're sure?
Yeah.
Paka?
Yeah.
Okay. Gaulai is the right answer. So last decision point. Ready for the next one?
Yeah. Bahudari?
Sorry?
Bahudari?
Bahudari?
Amazing.
Great job. Okay, so you have 3 chances for this. You ready?
Yeah.
Okay.
Gaula?
Neeti Gaula? It's not Anand Bhairavi?
No.
You couldn't hear any Anand Bhairavi there?
It's Riti Gaula.
Okay.
How did you find it was Riti Gaula?
The knee.
What?
The knee.
Okay,
Lovely.
lovely.
So Riti Gaula is the right answer. The next one.
Darbar?
Darbar?
Yeah.
I think we should have played the harder one for her.
The harder one for you? Yeah, you're so fast. You're
Yeah.
getting the whole thing done super
Amazing.
fast. Great
Amazing.
job. Okay. Last 2 questions. Saranga, okay.
You don't even need to show the
yeah,
options.
yeah. I don't even need to play the entire audio. Just 5 seconds and boom.
Sai, I think we need to switch places with her.
Yeah, we need to for
Yeah,
sure.
amazing, amazing.
Amazing. Yeah.
Last
one?
question. Ready?
Ready?
Do or die.
Okay.
Okay.
Can I have the options?
Okay. This is
Arabi?
Arabi? You've come so far so fast, but are you sure this one's Arabi?
Yeah.
This is do or die.
You sure?
Can I hear it?
You want to hear it again? Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You sure?
Yeah.
Okay, let's see. And wow!
Great job.
Great job!
Congratulations.
Amazing, Akshaya.
Amazing job.
Thank you,
You did-
thank you. Thanks
Thank
a
you so
lot.
much for-
Thanks a lot for being here.
Thank you.
Yeah, you can leave. Thank you, Akshaya.
Thank
The
you.
next one will be Shubhaga Narasimhan.
Okay.
Hello.
Hello, Shubhaga.
Hi.
Sorry, we are not having a video.
Yeah, I've just switched it on.
Okay, sorry, namaskaram.
Namaskaram.
Yeah, really sorry for the delay.
That's okay.
Yeah, you're aware of the rules now?
Yes, I am.
Okay, super. So we'll start. Sai?
Yeah. So,
Okay.
1 second. I think it just got suspended. Okay. Yeah, first one.
Sounds like a Yamuna Kalyani, but can I just see the options, please?
Okay.
Okay. I think it's Yamuna Kalyani.
You're sure it's not Hami?
Sure.
Yeah. It sounds like a little bit of Jambu Pate and this one. So I'm just.
Let's see if you have the right answer. And
It
yeah,
is the right answer. Great job.
Thank you.
Perfect. So the next one.
Hmm. Can I see the options, please?
Okay.
Okay. I am not familiar, so I'm just going to take a guess of Narayana Gaulai.
you're guessing Narayana Gowda?
Yes.
Are you
I
sure?
am not familiar with Ragams, so
You're not that familiar with Ragams?
yeah. Just a moment. Can you play it again?
Sure.
I'm sure you can guess this if you have heard Colonial Cousins.
I don't know. Fine, I'll go with the first option.
Which one?
Yeah, Balahamsa. I think
Okay.
I heard Narayana Gaulai before, so it doesn't sound like that.
Okay.
I'll stick to Balahamsa.
You're sticking to Balahamsa?
Yeah, I guess so.
Okay. Balahamsa is the right answer.
Yeah.
Okay.
If you have heard Colonial Cousins, they have this Parula Nula, the song.
Okay.
You heard the song?
No.
Hariharan's album.
No,
Okay,
I am
that's
not.
okay. It's fine. Anyway,
Sorry, I'm just having some small technical error here. Let me
One
just get it fixed.
Hmm.
Just give me 1 second. I'm so sorry.
Sure, that's okay.
Yeah, you're able to see the screen?
Yes, I am.
All working? Okay.
Yes.
So your next question is,
Hmm.
you want the option?
Yes. I think it's Madhyamavatiya.
Madhyamavati?
Wait. I think it's Sri then. It's Sri.
Sai,
Yeah?
can you check if you have this Facebook open on any of your other?
No, I
tabs?
don't have Facebook at all.
I don't know what's wrong.
Some feedback is coming, right?
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah. Okay, that's okay.
Okay. After this one, I'll just do one small check and see if it works.
Yeah.
Okay. So which one do you want to choose, ma'am?
I'll choose Sri.
Sure.
Sri Ragam.
Sure,
Okay,
sure.
nice.
Sri Ragam?
Yes.
Sri Ragam is the right answer. Great. So on to the next one.
Hmm.
Okay. Yeah.
Renuka?
Renuka, you're sure?
Yes.
Pakka? It's
I-
not Sindhu Bhairavi?
Yes, I am sure.
Okay.
I'm sure.
Renuka is the right answer. Great job. So on to the last 4 we go.
Hmm.
Right? Okay.
Yes. Can I see the options?
The options?
I'm not getting this one. It's Bauli.
It's Pauli?
Yes.
Okay. We'll see if this is right. And Bauli is the right answer. So next one.
Thank you. Hmm.
Once just okay, I'll just play this.
Options?
Is it Vasanta
Oh,
or
it's
Lalita?
Lalita.
It's Lalita?
It's Lalita. Hiranmayim Lakshmi. Lalita.
Beautiful. So last 2 questions. You ready for it?
Huh.
Okay.
Yes.
Any guesses for this
I
one?
need the options.
You need the options?
I need the options. I don't want to take this one. It's Saurashtram.
It's Saurashtra. You're sure? It's not Chakramaham.
No, it is Saurashtram.
Do you want to take
let's-
another listen? Are you sure?
Yes.
Okay. So we'll enter and see how it goes. Saurashtra is the right
That's the
answer.
right answer.
You guys
Okay.
confuse us a lot.
That's our job here, right?
Yeah. We are part of the maze.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah. So the last one.
Sure. I need the options.
Give me the options.
Yes. It's Ahiri.
It's Ahiri.
Yes.
Okay. Ahiri is the right answer. Congratulations.
Super.
Thank you.
Thank you so much for participating.
Thank you.
Thank you. I had a great time.
Thank you so
Thanks
much.
a lot. Thanks
Thank
a
you
lot.
so much.
We also had a
Sure.
great time.
Sure.
Thank you.
Thank you.
So I would, yeah, you can leave now.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you. Okay, so before moving on to the next participant, this will be the final participant, which will go live on Facebook.
Okay.
So the other participants, we are recording this Zoom call. So we will put this on Facebook tomorrow or on a later date. Okay. Okay. Now we are letting in Dhriti.
Dhriti?
Oh, that is Shruti.
Oh, Shruti. Yeah.
Hi Shruti. You logged in as Dhriti? Can't hear you. You want to unmute? Yeah.
Namaste.
Namaste. You are
Namaste.
logged in as Dhriti.
Dhriti is my daughter's name.
Yeah, I know. Okay. So are you ready? You're familiar with the rules, right?
Yes.
Okay.
Perfect. Yeah. So here's your first question. This is your first question.
Start music.
Yamuna Kalyani.
Yamuna Kalyani?
Yeah.
You're sure?
Yeah.
Okay. Yamuna Kalyani is the right answer. Okay. So on to the next one.
Yeah.
na 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 ra ta na 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 ra ta na 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 ta na na ra na na ta na 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 na.
Okay, I would like to see the options.
You want to see the options? Okay.
Yeah. Balahamsa.
Balahamsa?
Yeah.
You're sure?
Yeah. Mari Magasa Varuman Pate. Sir.
Okay.
So நாராயணகோட எப்படி வரும்?
Sriramam Ravi Kulabhi. Sani Nidapa.
இதுலயும் உண்டு செந்தாமரை ஒருமை சனி பதசன் ஒருமை.
ஆமா பட் அது கொஞ்சம் ஸ்பீடா வரும் இல்லையா?
not exactly. பதச நிரபமா ரீமகச அந்த மாதிரி வரும் பலஹம்சா. பட் அதுல பதசான் போகாது நாராயணகோடையில. Not just that, but the oscillations of note say is very different. Good guess.
Great. So on to the next one.
Na ra na 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 ra na ra na ta ra na na
Any guesses?
Kannada Gola mention இருக்கேன்.
Kannada Gola. Okay. We'll look at the
Paklama?
options.
Yeah, please.
The option is not there.
Oh, you sorry. Manirangu.
Are you sure?
Manirangu. Yeah.
You're sure?
Manirangu.
Okay. Manirangu is unfortunately the wrong answer.
It's Pushpalatika.
Okay.
There was a Rigama. You didn't know.
Yeah, I didn't know. Yeah.
That's okay. So that's fine. You can still get back onto the right path if you get this right. Okay?
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah.
na 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 ra na ta na na ra na 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 ta da ra na ra na na ta ra na 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 ra ra ta da ra na na ra na.
Any guesses?
I would like to see the options.
Okay. Is it Chaya Tarangini?
Chaya Tarangini.
Chaya Tarangini?
Yeah.
Okay. I think some of the eliminating options really give it away.
Yeah.
Yesterday when I tested this game, so most of it I just got very.
Can I just listen to it once again, please?
Chaya Tarangini.
Yeah, just the. I'm answer is right. I just want to listen to it. Okay, time in Leo.
Yeah, you have to go back. Okay.
Sorry, parvaile.
Anyway, she was going to answer Manirangu. It's okay. Pushpalatika.
Right.
Because you're going back in the answer correctly.
Sir. Right.
Okay. You want to listen to Chaya Tarangini again? You can't listen to.
Illa parvaile. Na promoted.
Okay. The game will be back on the website. So Ninga definitely you can.
Right. Okay.
Oh, sorry. I think you put the wrong one. Yeah, it's okay.
Sorry.
That's okay.
Okay.
Taranara taranana tararana taranana tarara
Options,
guesses?
please. Options. Madhava Manohari.
Madhava Manohari?
Yeah.
Process of elimination.
No. I know this Kriti.
Okay. So Ragam strike.
Madhava.
What song is that?
Mahalakshmi. Mahalakshmi. Yeah.
Good.
Beautiful. Okay. So, okay. On to the last 4 questions.
Tarana na na tarana na na harana na na narana na ana na na.
Any guesses?
Options, please.
Options? Okay.
Yeah. Okay. Devaranji.
Devaranji?
Devaranji.
Any difference between Devaranji and Padi?
எனக்கு ரெண்டுமே ஆக்சுவலி தெரியாது பட் ஐ ஹர்ட் பாடி யா பட் யா இட்ஸ் தேவரஞ்சின்னு தோன்றுது.
Devaranji?
Check it out.
Devaranji is the right answer.
Okay.
So,
Yeah, could you tell me the difference?
Me?
No, I would just like to know.
No, I don't know.
Okay.
Okay. I think Soumya Akka can enlighten us after this on
Right. Okay.
all of this, right?
Yeah.
So the next one, yeah.
Tadarana na na tadarana tana ana na
No, please. Options, please. Okay. So this is Padi then. Yeah.
This is Padi?
ஆமா பாடி.
Sure?
ஆமா மனோலயம் நான் சுத்தம் தெரியாது பட் இது பாடி. யா
Padi Dana? Okay. Padi is
Now
the
we
right
know.
answer.
Now can we know the difference between Devaranji and
No, but I'll have to go listen. I'll listen to the board.
Yeah, same here.
Yes.
I should also do that. Right.
Yes. Okay.
Next question.
Next question? Yeah.
Options, please.
Options?
Kantamani. ஆமா.
Kantamani?
Yeah.
Okay.
What song?
இது என்ன கோட்டீஸ்வரையர் அவரோட கிருதி.
அது எனக்கு தெரியாது. பாலிந்து.
ஆமா இது பாலிந்து. யா.
இது sure?
இது யா மாமா.
சரி.
Okay.
ஓகே காந்தாமணி தான். ஆமா.
So that was unfortunately
yeah, chess.
because
நான் அப்புறமா தான் யோசிச்சேன். Full scale. Okay.
Shruti Ranjani.
Edari.
Another name is Kedari.
Edari Sanchit.
Oh, sorry.
Kriti.
Edari.
Okay.
Yeah.
So this and the next one is do or die. So you either get this right, illati it's game over.
Okay.
Okay. So the pressure's on.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay. Yeah.
Tadarana na 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 tarana na 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 ra na 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 a na da da ra.
Options, please.
Options?
Jayantasena.
Jayantasena?
Ama, Jayantasena.
Okay. So we're on to the last question. Okay? Do or die.
Yeah.
Na 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 ra 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 na 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 da da ra na 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 ri.
Options, please.
Options?
Yeah. Ghanta. Yeah, Ghanta.
Ghanta? You
Yeah,
sure?
yeah, Ghanta. Yeah, Ghanta.
Okay. And with that, that's the end of the game. Congratulations.
Thank you so much.
Great
Got to
job.
learn a lot. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. I think Bharatana, it is muted.
Thank you, Shruti. Thanks a lot. Thanks for coming.
Thank you
Thanks
for taking so much of efforts and making us learn a lot.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thanks a
Thank you
lot.
so much.
Thanks. And yeah.
So I think
Okay, so I think we will end the Facebook Live here, and we will post this video tomorrow or on a later date with the other
Yes.
participants. There are still 4 more participants left. So yeah, 2 more, right?
I think 2 more left.
Yeah, 2 more are waiting. So yeah, we will see you tomorrow with events. You please visit our website supritamcarnival.com and watch all the events live on Facebook and some premieres on YouTube as well. So thank you. Thanks a lot.
Thank you so much. Thanks, Anna.
Thank you. Thanks a lot. Thank you, Sai. Sorry.
Thanks a lot, Anna.
Thank you. Thanks a lot, Sai.
Thank you so much. Thanks a lot.
We have to
Thanks a
thank
lot.
Sai, Vittal, Rajiv, and
Ramakrishnan Anna for sure. L. Ramakrishnan Anna.
So in short, we have to thank Kanya Mami for this.
Yeah, pretty
And
much.
of course, Soumyaka for graciously
For giving us so much of
Material.
beautiful material that
Yeah, and this game will be available on the website.
Yes.
Anyone can go and play anytime. You don't
please
have to
go
be on
play,
Zoom
please
call.
go learn. There are so
Yeah.
many new ragams and there are so many so much of learning to do. So
Yeah,
that's
you don't have to actually necessarily have us sit here and confuse you. So you can just
Exactly.
go there and have fun. So thank you. Thanks a lot. Thanks, Sai.
Thanks a lot. Thanks a lot, Anna. Thank you.